Hey, it's Mark Nolan outside the DEI garage, and we're talking about our fuel injector covers here. And you know, factory and performance fuel injectors, they risk the possibility of vapor lock and heat soak. So you got to make sure you got these covers on. Let's take a look. So you can see them right here, and look, cooler fuel injectors are going to perform more efficiently, offer more consistent throttle response, reflect all the direct and radiant heat away from the injectors. They're constructed of high temperature rated glass fiber material, bonded to a heat rated reflective aluminized material as well. They're going to work on stock or aftermarket fuel injectors, and they don't have to be removed. These covers are made with, you can see them here, the split design, allowing them to wrap around each individual injector. It's a universal fit, goes on most fuel injectors and sensors. They're 5 1/4 inches by 2 inches. These fuel injector covers, you're gonna need these here. You can get them only at designengineering.com.